Okay, in this lesson we will learn part of the body, and that's I will teach you how you can say most of the part body today, and then in the future we're gonna learn more about this. So let's start. قيبها jirka part of the body. مذح head. Il ill, it's a singular of indo, it's a plural of both eyes. Il, one eye. Indo, both eyes. Sun, nose. Dick, ear. Dego, ears. Tin, one hair. Timo, hair. Arab, that's tongue. Arab. Ilik, one tooth. Ilko, that's a plural. Luqun, neck. Second page. Gacan, that means hand. Ga'mo, hands. Garab, shoulder. Garbo, shoulders. Far, faro. Look, logo. Jilbo. If you do want to put a sentence, you can put it this way: Alol Hanun, stomach hurts. Mother Hanun, headache. Inda Hanun, eyes hurts. Alol Garab Hanun, shoulder hurts. So let me go back and show you, talk about some of the way that you can pronounce some words like X or C. English person might have a difficult to pronounce it, but madah, the word X, it pronounced ha. So if you cannot pronounce, you can say madah. And ill, I think it's easy, like someone who's sick, you can pronounce like ill. Someone who's sick, but it's ill. When it's plural, indo. And if you look, this whatever I put here, that's the articles. If you say the head, madaha. Isha, the eyes, when different articles. Look, so when you're talking about two eyes, you are both eyes. Indaha aya ihanunaya. And remember, whenever you want to put this one here, indo, when it two, indaha, then this O, it will change to A. Like this one, dek, that's a one ear. Dego, that means both. But if you do want to say dagaha, this will change to A, and it will be the ears. So sometimes grammatical, it's a little bit difficult in Somali language, but if you try, it's easy, you can learn it. Now it's very simple. These words are very singular. The ones have O's are the way to the plural. And look, if you look, all of them has O in the end, which means that makes plural, but also there is some difference. Okay, sun, that means nose. Neck, ear, dego. Tin, hair. Timo, hair. Arab, tongue. Ilik, that's a tooth. Ilko, teeth. Luqun, neck. Ga'an. Ga'mo, that's a plural. Ga'an, singular. Ga'mo, plural, means hand. Garab, shoulder. Garbo, shoulders. Faro, that means plural, fingers. Look, logo. Jilbo. If you want to put a sentence, like for example, alol hanun, no, if you add this, alol hanun, mother hanun, inda hanun, garab hanun, which means my stomach hurts, or stomach pain. headache and eyes hurts and garab xanuun, shoulder hurts, so forth. If you do want to make full sentence, you can say madaxa i xanuunaya, madaxa ayaa i xanuunaya. I have a headache today. Madaxa ayaa i xanuunaya maanta. Manta, you'll add here manta. Okay, that's it for it. And if you do have a question, I think it was very quick. Let me know. Thank you. Bye.